This morning, San Francisco residents are fed up after being kept up at night by driverless Waymo cars honking at each other through the night as they park.
I could not be more cranky today. And over the past 2 weeks, I've been woken up more times overnight than I have combined over 20 years.
Waymo says the vehicles automatically honk their horns when other cars get too close to them while reversing.
It'll be honk, 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 honk. It doesn't last very long. It only lasts like maybe 10, 15 seconds. But imagine if your alarm clock is going off for 10 or 15 seconds.
Sophia Tong has been running a 24-hour live stream capturing the chaos.
When they all come back at once, they get into a traffic jam and they start honking.